Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix edit post option not showing on Facebook in Android and iOS platform. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we have to launch Safari browser and we have to search downdetector.com and check the Facebook server is down or not. If the Facebook server is stable, then we move to second step. The second step is tap and hold the App Store, tap on updates, and we have to update the Facebook app. After updating the Facebook app, we have to go to settings, tap on general and tap iPhone storage, and we have to make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. Then go back to general and tap transfer reset iPhone, tap reset network settings, put iPhone passcode, tap again reset network settings to confirm. The final solution is only for Android devices. What we have to do, we have to launch browser, Chrome or anyone that you are using, and search for, and we have to search for uptodown.com. This is the website, and we have to download the Facebook older version and delete the newer version, cause maybe the newer version don't have the edit option for the post, but the older version have a edit option for the post. That's it. With this simple and easy step, you will get rid of this issue. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.